Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to construct these lovely little baby grow cards, and in the kit you get baby grow in blue, you get one in pink, and you also get one in a neutral cream and green as well. And I also supply PNG files with this kit, so if you've got a cricut machine you can make them, you can cut them out on your cricut as well. So the card opens like this, the little tuck of the baby grow tucks in here like this, and the card opens to reveal your main writing space. And then in the pocket of the baby grow, I'll get that fastened, in the pocket of the baby grow you've got a little baby bottle that opens with a little writing space inside, and you've also got another little card, and both of those coordinate and match the baby grow and the pocket, and each baby grow and pocket has its own envelope, so that you can slip that in there just nicely. And there you are. And you've also got a pink one that's the same. You've got the little bottle, and you've got the little note card there. They're really pretty. And then you've also got the neutral one as well, that's in cream and pink and white with little rosebuds on it. And you've got a little coordinating bottle and card there. So there we are. I hope you love this kit. Like I say, it's in PNG as well, so if you've got a cricut machine you can go ahead and cut these out on your cricut. Come ahead with me now and let's put them together. So I have for you here a whole pile of things. We have got 3 envelopes, and for each envelope we have a baby grow card, and each baby grow card consists of the baby grow itself, a little pocket, and somewhere amongst this pile of stuff that I am not organised with, we have got a little folding card and a baby bottle, and you've got one of those for each. Let's sort those out. So here's the pocket, here's the card for the neutral one, here's the little baby bottle card for the neutral one, and then here we have the pink one, the pink card, the pink pocket, the pink little card to go in the pocket, and the pink baby bottle to go in the pocket. So let's have a look at how we put these things together. Now these, my dears, are available as JPEGs for those of you who hand cut, and also as PNGs for those of you who like to use your cricut machines. And I've got a little hack for these that I've tried screen recording for you, but I'm not having much joy with it. So I'm going to ditch that for now and see if I can explain it to you instead. And on each page, for instance, the envelope comes on a page. On each page, there is a little white rectangle at the top and the bottom corners. Now, when you import things when you load images into Cricut, if you have a Cricut machine, you will know that they come in absolutely huge, and you can resize so that you can get them down to your print and cut size. But if you've got several different pages that you want to resize to the same scale, it can be a bit tricky. So those little white squares at the top and the bottom are there to help you do that. If you go up to the top right, when you're in Cricut, you'll see a little red circle with an exclamation mark in it. Click that, click auto resize, and then everything will be resized to the size of those squares at the top and bottom that are the same on every page. So if that makes sense, you can be assured that even if you need to resize your images to a different scale, you can do, and everything will be at the right size. So I'm forming an envelope here whilst talking to you about Cricut. If you're hand cutting, sorry to have bored you with that information, which will be irrelevant to you. So glue on me pockets. On these little flaps here, and fold this back sheet over nice and neatly to make your envelope closed. Very nice. Let's crack on with the card itself now. They're so sweet. These very simply fold in half. There's a line at the top there to fold along. Now we need to crease this line here at the back and the bottom of the baby grow like this, and here we need to cut. So I'll grab my cutting board and I'll grab my knife, and you'll see this little line here that is below these little press studs on the baby grow, like a little smile. Just slice along there, and you've scored this. This will then fold up very, very nicely. If you want a little bit more space, which I do, you can trim off. Where's my scissors? These will do. Coordinating scissors. You can trim off the very, very last little bit of that there. And then you can tuck the back of the baby grow up into that little section there. And there is your very cute baby grow card. It's lovely. And we've got the pocket now to stick on. So let's do that. I've got tabs on my pocket. Doesn't matter if you score over your pocket, like you score over the little tabs on this pocket like I'm doing here. My cards and the bits and bobs that go on the cards, out of 250, you can get away with 200 if you want to. I love my 250, as you may know, and my cards are 120 gram. Just a nice quality paper for a card, and you can glue your tabs, and I'm going to let that go tacky for a moment before I attempt sticking it on, because all these little bits of card don't want to play ball, particularly because they're on funny bendy angles. Where is my pink? Here's my pink little card that very simply folds up to go inside the pocket. So you've got a card within a card, and then you've got this baby bottle here that also folds in half. So in effect, you've got 3 cards in one there. You've got your lovely baby grow card, which opens, I like that, and you've got lots of writing space in there. And then you've got your little card here that opens, a little bit more writing space. And you've got your baby bottle that opens to reveal a little bit more writing space. Now, are we tacky? Let's go. So you can pop this wherever you want. I suggest you go about here with it. And stick that down, and then your little card fits in there. Obviously mine isn't dry, so it's lifting off. Your little card fits inside, and your little bottle also fits inside. I'll squidge that down and we'll come back and we'll have a proper look at it. So here they are, all complete. While this glue was drying on this one, I went ahead and constructed the others as well. So we've got our little blue, our little baby boy, we've got our little baby girl, and we've got our neutrals for somebody that wants to go down that route, or if you're not sure if it's for an expectant parent. So you've got this gorgeous little pocket on the front with this baby bottle that opens for a nice little sentiment inside there, and you've got this little card as well that opens. This one's in green and cream for the neutral with some tiny little pink rosebuds on it, and then you've got the actual opening card itself for the main body of the card. And that card fits very, very nicely in this envelope there. And there you have it, all 3 done. I hope you love them, and I hope whoever receives them loves them too.